tomorrow. So this is DXY. Let's see what the market will give us tomorrow. So let's go to our time frame and do our top-down analysis. Please, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so based on what we have here, you can see that this is DXY and this is 4 hours time frame. So DXY swept this liquidity away. This liquidity here swept it out. Start. So this liquidity was taken by this particular move here. You can see. And meanwhile, if you check, you will see that the market was breaking structure to the downside like this. Something like this. The market was breaking structure to the downside. Stand. Let me change this top. So the market was breaking structure to the downside and then the market pushed up. Yeah. So there is an order block here. So which means that DXY is taking up 5. But before that, we will have some movements in the market. So here, this is DXY. The market swept liquidity and start selling. You understand? So now let's focus on the current market structure. Let's focus on this price action here. So this DXY you are seeing, you see that, what's it called? Okay, good. Let's focus on this scenario here. Stand. So the market was making this move, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then it swept out previous liquidity. So the market dropped to the downside. So as the market dropped to the downside, normally if the market wants to continue to push up like this, if the market wants to continue to push up like this, this market will take out this low. The market won't take out this low right here. So the market dropped to the downside and took out this particular low here, this one. So that low has been taken out. Let me try to change it. Understand? So let's check it very well. Okay. Now let's go down to lower time frame and check. Sorry, medium time frame, 2 hours. Let's see. So we have candle. The candle swept this low here. So this is our change of character. Understand? And then if we are to pick it, we can also pick this. Understand? But whichever the case may be, this one is not bad as well. So this one is not bad. So let's pick this. Understand? So if you check very well, you will see that right at this point, we have an order block. Please, as you are joining, just try to mute yourself. So right at this point, we have an order block here. Yeah, we have an order block here. And you see, guys, so since this becomes our change of character is here. CHOCH. All right, so that's our change of character. Okay, good. So, and then right at this point, what do we have? We have this candle here. We can do it like this. So, which means that there is liquidity here. I'm just put X. Understand, there is liquidity there. And then here we have something like this. Understand? We have something like this. Right? Maybe the market will move like this. Then break out from this channel, then mitigate this order block. So once the market mitigates this order block, just wait. Don't sell immediately. Am I communicating everybody? Don't sell. Understand? Don't sell immediately. Why? Because we have an order block here, and then we have liquidity right at this point here. You can see the liquidity. The liquidity is above this order block. Are you guys seeing it, please? Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So now, once this market gets to this order block, don't sell. Just make sure you wait for conservative entry model. Understand? So once the market gets here, but I'm very sure the market is going to sell. is going to sell, understand? So this is my thinking process on DXY, right? So, and then if the market sell, maybe the market will come to this place, maybe the market will come to this place right here before making another U-turn to the upside to mitigate this other block. So from this, once the market gets to this other block, then we'll sell again. I'm very sure that is clear now. So now let's consider GBPUSD. GBPUSD. So what do we have on GBPUSD? Let's check. This is GBPUSD. Let me delete everything. Understand? So this is GBPUSD. Let's go to our 4 hours time frame. These are 4 hours time frame. So now here, the market was pushing up like this. So the market pushed to the downside, then pushed up. So we have a break of structure here. Let me zoom. So we have a break of, let me check. Right. So we have a break of structure here. These are a break of structure. Understand? This break of structure you're seeing, it's do what? It's created an order block. It's an order block here. So I choose this entire zone. Understand? So here, now let's drag it out to the current market. All right, here is the so the market got to that order block. And as the market got there, see the movement of the market. So we have the market move like this, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is the last lower high. So the market pushed to the downside. Normally, if the market wants to continue to sell to the downside, the market will not take out this other block here. So maybe the market will just mitigate it. You can see that the market mitigates it. This particular order block, the market mitigates it. Can you guys see it? It mitigates it. And then after that,
yeah.
Let me zoom for you guys to see it. This is the order block. This is the order block. Let me change this color to, okay. This is the order block. So normally, if the market wants to continue to sell, the market will do what? Push to the downside, push up. Once the market gets here, pushed up. So the market can now sell and give us new words, new break of structure to the downside. Am I communicating everybody?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So now look at the market. The market got to this other block here. It sold to the downside, then pushed up. It means that the market has changed structure from what? From a bearish market to a bullish market. So this becomes our what? This becomes our change of character. So so this becomes our change of character, right?
Change of character.
Now, if you check the market very well, you will see that the market, let me try to reduce. Okay, I use this color for demand. I use this color for demand zone. So here, now if you check, now that the market has given us change of character, right? So we have an order block around this area here. Around this area here. Understand? So let's check it. Let's check it. Let's go to 2 hours time frame and let's see. So this is the order block I'm saying. This is the order block I'm talking about. This is the order block. So here is the order block. So let's drag it out. You can see that after the market gave us change of character, the market sold to the downside. The market took out this inducement here. Inducement, and then we have some liquidity here. Liquidity. This is liquidity as well. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Multiple touches is also liquidity. Understand? So this is the liquidity. So that's the liquidity there. So what are we expecting? And then if you check this order block, you will see that this order block, we have imbalance here, which is fair value gap. And then also it swept out, what's it called? We have liquidity sweep here. You understand? X. Oh, sorry. We have X there. Let me change it to 10. Okay. Now here, now what are we anticipating on this pair? The market is buying now. This is to me, this is just a fake move. To me, this is just a fake move. Why? Because the markets, the banks are trying to, please just try to mute yourself. Please just try to mute yourself, guys. So to me, this buy, so some of my students bought this pair. Who is this now? Please mute yourself. All right, some of my students bought this pair. I think Emma bought this pair on Friday. So he made money. That's cool. But the point there is that this is a fake move to induce. This is a fake move to induce buyers in the market, right? Now, the market took out this liquidity here, and then, oh, what's this? Please, who is you are drawing something on my screen, please. So now, the market took out this liquidity here, and then if you check very well, you will see that we have equal lows here. So which means that this equal lows means what? It means, what's it called? Liquidity in the market, right? So since this becomes our liquidity in the market, let's see. Meanwhile, our main zone to sell from is this demand zone. This is the demand zone we are still anticipating to buy from. Understand? So let's check. Let me try to add Falcon strategy. We have okay, let me pick it from here. We have first touch. We have first touch, second touch. So this is first touch, second touch. Now let's make the downside hold. So we have first touch, second touch. So we have first touch, second touch. So what are we anticipating on this pair? So maybe the market would give us third touch here, then come here, then buy. Do you guys understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
Please, if you are getting me, everybody type yes. If you are getting it, type yes. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Just type yes. Just type yes.
Sir.
Just type yes. If you are getting it, type yes, guys. Type yes, type yes. Let's see. All right, cool. So now I think we are done with GBPUSD. Any question on GBPUSD? Meanwhile, please hold on. Meanwhile, this GBPUSD, if you are buying, if you start buying here, instant. If you know you cannot wait for, if you know you, please, what's this now? All right, so guys, if you know that you don't have enough equity, now let me tell you this logic. Let's assume you want to buy GBPUSD and then you want to open 3 positions to buy this market. Enter 1 position as aggressive entry first, right? And then I've taught you guys how to calculate your pips, how much you are going to risk, how much you are going to lose, and how much you're going to win. I've taught you guys. If you have not watched the video, you can request the video from one of my admins, my old students. They'll send it to you instant. And then if you want me to send it to you, you can send a message to me on DM. I will look for it and get it. I'll send it to you. So now, if you enter with one entry, wait for the market to give you conservative entry before you enter to position, or you wait for the market to give you ultra conservative entry before you buy the market. It depends on your trading appetite. Understand? I believe that is clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very clear.
All right, so let's proceed, everybody. Now this is GBPUSD. Let's check EURUSD. EURUSD. Now let's see what is going on there. Let me delete everything. So this is EURUSD. Understand? Now let's go to 4 hours. So these are our 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we have here. Okay. EURUSD. Hold on. Got to this point here and change structure to this point. Okay. Let me zoom. Let's zoom, guys. So here, EURUSD got to this zone here. Okay, let's drag it out. It got to this zone here, instant. So let's check. Let's focus on the current market. So how is the reaction of the market? The market was moving like this, creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower range low, range high, range low, range high, lower low, lower high. So the market finally dropped and got to this point, instant. But the point there is that if you check, if the market wants to continue to sell to the downside, the market will just push up like this and get to this order block and start selling. Or the market will just give us stomp ons, then sell instant. So which is going to be liquidity sweep instant. But the point here is that the market give us what? The market give us change of character, which the market took out this high, this last lower high. So this is a proof that the market has changed from a bearish market to what? A bullish market. All right, so based on what we have here, we have liquidity sweep here, instant. So after the market gave us our change of character, CHOCH, right after the market gave us our change of character, instant. So the market created inducements. Please mute yourself. All right, so guys, now after the market gave us change of character here, instant, the market dropped to the downside. You can see our inducements is here. So the market dropped to the downside here. Now, if you check it, we have our order block here. This is our order block. Instant. This is our order block. Now, since this becomes our order block, now we have liquidity here. Instant, guys, we have liquidity here. So this is liquidity, right? So in this case, let's go to our medium time frame. This is our medium time frame. Instant. Our medium time frame starts from 2 hours. Instant. So these are our medium time frame. And then if you check very well, you will see that the market is pushing up. Who are these people? Please try to mute yourself. Mute yourself, guys. Mute yourself, please. All right, so guys, now let's proceed. Now look at this market here. You can see that the market did not mitigate this our order block yet. So the market is buying. Let's see what this market is trying to do, right? Now here, we have another valid order block here, which is extreme order block. So the market is in between this demand zone and then this supply zone. So what is the thing? What is my thinking process on this market? Let's check, guys. Because this particular order block is a valid order block. Why? It created break of structure right at this point. We have our break of structure here. You understand, guys? And then if you check, you will see that we have a fair value gap here as well. So now this market, the market is pushing up now. So everything here, they are just liquidity. We have 3 types of liquidity: buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, and trend line liquidity. So these are just liquidity. And then we have this place also, we have liquidity. This. You understand? So maybe the market will mitigate this order block here. Maybe the market will mitigate this order block here. Understand? This particular order block here. Maybe the market will mitigate this order block here. Understand? Then sell to the downside, then buy. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now look at this place. This order block is valid. But the reason why I don't want to pay much attention to this order block is because no break of structure. Right? No break of structure. Do you guys understand me?
Yes, sir.
So no break of structure. All right, cool. So no break of structure. So in this case, what are we anticipating on this pair? If the market gets to this order block, you can still sell this market if you see a confirmation entry. So I'm going to monitor this market very well tomorrow, because tomorrow, Tuesday is our fiscal class. So I think I should be available online tomorrow very well. Understand? You know, I'm always busy, but I promise I'm going to monitor everything for you guys tomorrow. So this is my thinking process on EU or USD. Any question on this pair? On this analysis, any question,
Yes, sir.
guys? Okay, what's your question?
Yes, sir. This other block where you choose now. So I think when we go to maybe lower time frame, we see change of character for this. Look at where we put change of character.
Okay.
So I think when we go to lower time frame, we see change of character here. That side.
Okay, this place, right? Guys, let's
frame.
check. Let's check. He is right. So I think he is right. Stand. So we have engineer liquidity here. Can you see, guys? We have engineered liquidity here. So, and then we have our change of character here. Understand? So we have change of character here. We have liquidity sweep here. Understand? So this is a proof that if the market gets to this point, there is a possible chance that the market is going to sell, which I'm very sure. Understand? But the point there is that our confirmation entry will matter on this area, on this zone here. Do you guys get me now?
What's the point? That change of character he showed us right now is just a minor change of character. So the market is only going to sell, yes. So the market is only going to sell to our main order block, our main order block.
It's going to sell to our main order block. Is it this place? Is it this place?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, now, yes, you are correct. So that's it. But the point there is that we are expecting the market to do what? To sell to this order block here, to this order block here. Then we take a buy from this one. Then we buy to the upside. I hope that is very clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So now let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed. Let's consider GBP, JPY. Let's see what is going on there. Richmond.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just try to mute yourself. This video is going to be on YouTube, so that it won't distract those who will be watching it. All right, so guys, I'm still going to give room for everybody to ask questions. Let's consider GBP, JPY. So what is on GBP, JPY? We are choosing Rwanda. Don't forget. Let me delete. Now, based on what we have here, let's go to 4 hours time frame. All right, so these are 4 hours time frame. We stand. So these are 4 hours time frame. What do we have on GBP, JPY? You can see the market was creating what? We have lower low, lower high. We stand. The market was breaking structure to the downside. We stand, breaking structure to the downside. So finally, the market got here. As the market got here, the market now rallies up. We stand, pushed up. Normally, the market is supposed to, you can see that when the market got to this other block here, okay, this is what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm trying to say, everybody. Okay, good. This is it. You know, we have our break of structure here. Understand? This is break of structure, right? And then we have our other block here. This candle here. So you can see that market mitigates it. The market pushed up and mitigated, and the market sold to the downside. Let's check the pips. Let me check the pips, guys. Let's say this is our entry. Market run about what's this? 124. And you guys see it?
74 pips.
All right, so that's 124 pips. So, and then after that, the market later do what? The market later pushed up like this. The market later pushed up like this. Understand? So as the market pushed up, understand? So it means that the market has changed structure. Understand? But the point there is that as the market pushed up, if the market wants to sell to the downside, the market will just do something like this and continue going up. Are you guys getting me now? But the point here is that the market, let's go to 2 hours. The market do what? We have something like this. Higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. then we have higher high. So here the market took out this what's it called? Higher low. You get took it out. So as the market took it out, Tosin, you are just joining. All right.
Mr. B, happy Sunday.
All right. So now here, see it. Let's go to, okay, this is our change of character here. This is change of character here. We have CH or CH. Understand? That's our change of character. Please hold on, guys. So this is our change of character right at this point. Understand? And then if you check very well, you will see that there is an order block here. How do I know there is an order block here? If you go to lower time frame, it will be obvious to you. So there is an order block here. This candle, this candle is an order block. This long wick candle is an order block. This one here. But let's check. Let's check 1 hour if we will see it there. All right. So you can see it. This is the candle. This is the candle here. Understand? So here we have our liquidity here.
Trendline liquidity.
So we have our liquidity here. Understand? For those who normally trade, what's it called? Falcon strategy. So we have our liquidity there. So, and then if you check, I think there is a liquidity here as well. Let's check for 5 minutes and see. Yeah. Okay, let me try to adjust this here. So we can easily push this up. Yeah. Okay, good. So we have another liquidity here. We have another liquidity here.
The screen is still on 2 hours, so Mr. B.
This screen is on 2 hours. Everybody. Is it on 2 hours?
No, it is not.
5 minutes.
All right, cool. So here is it.
No, mine is on 45 minutes, right?
Yeah, it's on 45 minutes now. So what we are expecting here is that we are expecting to sell this. Let me change this color. I don't use this color for supply zone. I use blue. Stand. So here, this is what we are expecting on this pair. Then we go short. We go short. We go short. Any pair that is volatile, if you don't have enough equity, please remember to always wait for change of character. Instant. Yes, Julius.
I'm thinking that when we go to 15 minutes, maybe that other block we are marking there will also be a liquidity.
Okay, let's check, guys. All right, this is it. This is it. You can see it is not liquidity. Everything here has been mitigated.
The other block that caused the change of character, is it vividly mitigated by our zone?
Which one?
That demand zone on the supply zone on top of where we have marked.
Okay, this is it. Let me say it. This thing, everything here has been mitigated. Everything here has been mitigated. There is no proper order block here. There is no proper order block here except this one. And then if you check very well, you will see that it has a gap. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It has a gap, and then it has liquidity sweep. It has liquidity sweep. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
So everything here has been mitigated already. So let's go back to.
In fact, Mr. B. I think even in that 15 minutes.
Yes. We are very sorry. We can't hear you, Tosin. We can't hear you. I think your network is not good. So, guys, so here we have liquidity here, SSI liquidity here. You understand?
Network is good.
Please, everybody, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Everybody, mute yourself, please. So we have set side liquidity here. So this is my thinking process on GBP, JPY. Do you guys see it now?
Yes, sir.
All right, now let's consider more pairs. Let's check. We still have 7 minutes more. All right, cool. Justin, are you getting it? Justin.
Change of character there before the bigger one. So everything is being deleted.
Yes, yes. Justin, are you getting it? I want to move on to the next thing. Are you getting it, Justin? If you are getting it, just type yes. Let me see. Okay. All right. So now let's proceed to the next pair. I don't know. I'll just choose any pair. I'm trying to, let me check. Okay. This one, this is EURJPY. This is EURJPY. So let's check if we can see a buy opportunity. So this EURJPY, what is our thinking process? Let's go to 4 hours straight up. These are 4 hours time frame, right? And then where is our order block? This is our order block here. Stand. This is our order block. Stand. So this order block we have. Oh shit. Okay, good. This order block we have liquidity sweep. Can you see it, guys?
Yes, sir. Very obvious.
So it's very obvious. So we have liquidity sweep here, and then also a lot of gaps are still here, which the banks will come and fill, right? They will definitely feel it. So if we are trying to choose our change of character, we can choose this place, we can choose this place, but let's choose this place. You can see it. So which means that market finally closed below it. So let's choose this place as our change of character. So that is major change of character, not minor. That's major change of character. So everything here, Jesus Christ. So everything here is what is liquidity. But the point there is that those retail traders, they will see this place as what? Retail trader will see this place as what? Those who are trading,
Resistance.
yes, they will see this place as a resistance zone. Meanwhile, resistance zone in the market is just what? It's just a liquidity zone. I hope that is very clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So in this case, what are we anticipating on this pair? So since the market has taken out this liquidity, so we have liquidity sweep. So this liquidity has been swept away. So in this case, now let's focus on this current market price. Can we buy up? Yes, we can buy up. Now let's look for our buy entry around this area here. Now, this is the place we want to focus on. We want to buy to this supply zone, then we sell to the downside. It is as simple as that. Let's go to 2 hours. Okay, these are 2 hours time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. So these are 1 hour time frame. So this is the place we want to focus on. So now here, let me remove this. Here we already have what? Our what? What's this, guys?
Break of structure.
We have our BMS already. You understand? So since we have our BMS already, then this place becomes our what? Our order block. Am I communicating? Okay. So that's our order block, right? And then we have our inducement. Our inducement is, oh, let me check. Okay, this I is not taken yet. This I is not taken yet. So our inducement still remains here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't know why Diamond is not in this meeting. Let me check. Okay, Diamond is not here anyway. So this is our inducement. Our inducement is still here. But if the market took out that I, if the market took out this I, if the market take out this I, then this becomes our what? This becomes our what? Inducement. Do you get me now? So for now, this is equal I. This is equal I, which is liquidity. Our break of structure has been formed, which the body of this candle finally closed above this I here. So this is just what? This is just liquidity. You understand from now. So, and then our inducement remains at this place, at this point. So inducement is above our demand zone. So what are we anticipating? If we have something like this, then sell to the downside, then we buy from here. Then once the market gets here, then we can now finally sell. This is a strong zone for sell. Can you guys see it? This is a strong zone,
Yes, sir.
a very strong zone for sell. So it is as simple as that. Any question? Any question, guys? Okay, good. Now, for those who are trading synthetic, for those who are trading synthetic, I'm very sorry. I won't be able to analyze synthetic this evening because we have just 1 minute left. But you guys are killing the market yourself, you understand? And then the improvement is very high. So I just encourage you guys to keep it up. Don't give up. Forex is not hard. It depends on how you handle it. You understand, guys? And then before you enter any trade, make sure you calculate how much you wanna lose. I have showed you the site. I have showed you guys everything, and I've showed you guys how to go about. So before you sell or buy any market, check how much you want to do what, invest in it. I hope that is very clear.
Yes, sir.
All right, so guys, I'm going to post this video on YouTube. I'll share the link. You watch it, and please subscribe to our channel to do what? To encourage me to drop more videos there. So guys, God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.